I'm not a lawyer, but day 4 of the ASAP Rocky trial was the cross-examination of the victim in the case, Terell Ephron, aka A AP Relli, and child, it was a mess. Rocky's attorney, Joe Tacopina, basically spent the entire cross-examination obliterating Relli's credibility. He would ask questions that he already knew the answer to, and then when Relli would give an inconsistent answer, Tacopina would either play a recording or read a previous statement that Relli has given. In essence, catching him up on the stand and making him look like a liar. So this video is basically going to be a bunch of times that Relli looked like a liar on the stand. But what's important to consider as you're listening is if Relli's inconsistencies, defensiveness, and seeming motivation for money enough to make you believe that Rocky brought a prop gun on the day of the incident. Also worth noting that Relli proudly said that he was not prepped before his testimony.
I didn't need to prepare.
You need to prepare?
No. But I don't need to prep.
And honestly, you're going to be able to tell, and that's not a good thing.
Now, yesterday, you testified that before the shooting, you had nothing but love for Rocky, right?
Correct.
And you said that if you said the word fuck to Rocky, it was with love, right?
I don't know what you mean by that. You gotta explain it.
Oh,
It's like I never was like just straight out like, oh, fuck you. I never said fuck you. I probably did, but it was like real wishy-washy in the sense like love, like I don't know, but
the part that you said, if I said fuck you, it was sort of wishy-washy with love, you know?
Okay, it's true.
Yeah. In fact, on September 18th, 2021, at 8:19 a.m., you text Rocky, fuck everything about you, fake ass gay nigga, right?
Of course not.
Of course not? Okay. No matter how much a nigga tried, you not charging, I think they're changing. Fuck everything about you, you fake ass nigga. I then hate you. Sucker ass guy nigga, then you change guy again. Remember sending that message?
The fact that he sent a follow-up text to correct guy to gay to like ensure he knew he was calling him gay is wild.
probably did write that. Is that from me?
That's from me. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. Was that wishy-washy with love?
Yes.
That was wishy.
Yes.
Sucker ass gay nigga.
Yes.
That was with love.
Yes.
Okay. November 2021. You told people that you were a millionaire, correct?
I don't understand this. Yes, no, I don't know. Okay, so what? I'll probably say yes or no. I don't care. Like, what is me being the... I don't get it, but no. Yes, no, I don't know. I don't know. It's been so long. I can tell people whatever I want. If I'm a millionaire, not a millionaire, like, what? I'm not a millionaire, but what does that got to do with this case?
Ephron, just answer the question.
It's important to you that you portray a very lavish lifestyle in life, right, Mr. Ephron?
No.
You told this jury yesterday that after this incident, you don't have a social media presence anymore.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't have social media presence anymore.
No, I don't.
Your username on Instagram is Relli Boss, right?
Yeah.
And on your Instagram profile is a feature story you call lifestyle, right?
My lifestyle has nothing to do with this, man.
I told
That's you posting a product jacket, right? And what you wrote there, if it ain't about money, ain't liking you.
no, it says Lincoln.
Ain't Lincoln?
Linkin.
Like, why are you showing my Instagram? I'm already getting death threats. Threatening my daughter. Like, what's going on here? Because you're saying I'm extortionist and all of this, you're putting my whole life on... this is getting really annoying.
No one is calling you an extortionist.
You also said that you wouldn't fight Rocky was because you were already not liked. Remember saying that?
Because I'm already not liked in the industry.
Didn't you say that?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I'm like part of a conglomerate, like a group. So if I fight Rocky and I beat him up, or if we fight or something, I'm already not liked, and people don't like me and shit like that. So I'm fighting him. I'm definitely getting blackballed, and all the labels like him and work with him and do this. You know what I mean? Like,
So you were well liked in the industry.
I was.
2021.
Yeah, I had a good thing.
And I think you said that the jury yesterday claimed that a lot of these deals went away when the case was publicized, right?
That's correct.
You not only publicized it yourself, you promoted it, correct?
No, I didn't.
You did? Okay. Wally Sajemi, he's an IT guy. After Rocky's arrest in the States, you asked him to publish and publicize articles about the arrest, correct?
No.
You did not do that.
Never.
Never. And you didn't offer to throw some money for doing that, right?
No.
Okay.
Only time I ever asked Wally to do anything for me was to get me verified. That's it. And that's a blue check.
Your Honor, I'd like to show the witness.
So at this point, the cameras cut out, but I was in the courtroom and Joe Tacopina played a recorded phone call between Relli and Wally. It was only played for Relli to hear. Everybody else couldn't hear the call, but I'm assuming the call was Relli saying that he would pay Wally if he posted about Rocky's arrest. But when Tacopina asked him if that was him on the call, he said it was AI. So Tacopina moved on.
On November 6, 2021, that's, by the way, the date of the incident, correct?
What incident?
Yes, he just said, what incident? As if he doesn't know what everybody's here for. But also, look at the judge's face when he says it.
What incident?
The shooting?
In 2021, did you make money from your music business?
I didn't make money, but I figured out how to make money
Okay.
within the music industry.
In 2021, did you make money from other businesses aside from the music business?
I don't recall. I don't recall.
Who is Gemma Jones?
I don't recall.
Okay. Who's Lydia Parker?
That's that's my girlfriend.
Does she go by the name of Gemma Jones?
I don't recall.
Does she have a website named Gemma Jones?
I don't recall.
Did she catch a website of herself entitled gemmajones.ch?
I don't recall.
Okay. In 2021, did you, along with Ms. Parker, make money in prostitution?
Prostitution? What is this trial about again?
No.
Sir, did you make money in the business of prostitution in 2021?
No.
You did remember seeing a message yesterday on text that you sent to your friend Justin Benea saying, on November 7th, 2021, saying, I want to get this nigga's money, right? Remember seeing that yesterday?
Yeah, that was after the shooting.
And this nigga that you were talking about was Rob, right?
I mean, I could be dead, yeah.
Right. Obvious. Okay. Now, when we refer
Talk to you, Mr. Stewart.
It's hard to hear, but what just happened was Rocky, while sitting in his defendant chair, yelled out, Yana. I'm not from New York, but that's the way he said it to me. Can we refrain? And then he was cut off. I'm going to play it again to make sure you heard it.
Right. Obvious. Okay. Now, when we refer
Talk to you, Mr. Stewart.
So the judge cut him off and told him to say whatever he needed to say to his other attorney who was sitting next to him. So we don't know for sure what Rocky said, but shortly after he spoke out, this happened.
If there's any exhibit or any recording that has the N-word, I want you in court to say N-word. I don't want you to say what
it says.
What it said. Yeah,
Okay.
just N-word
I prefer that too.
from now on.
So we can assume what he was speaking up about. And honestly, it was about time because that word was flying all around that courtroom, unnecessarily.
You told the jury you have a problem with Rocky, correct?
She did, to my knowledge, I didn't.
You saw 12 in New York after the incident on November 6, 2021, and you said to him, you know that Rocky did wrong for not taking care of us. Remember saying that to 12?
No, I don't remember that.
No.
No.
So, Justin Benea is your partner.
Yeah, but his partner.
Do you remember sending a group chat, a message into that group chat, August 5th, saying, fuck Rocky, calling him a fake ass N, and fucking Goofy? Remember that?
That means I'm definitely tired of getting lied to, bro. So you gotta say the whole thing.
July 24th, F you and ASAP, fake ass N, effing Goofy. Right? That's what you say about Rocky. You have no animosity towards, right?
It's not animosity, those are the names. You're trying to make me look like I got some type of animosity towards this dude. I don't. I never did. Never. I'm trying to say I still don't.
Let's now go on to October 21st. Another member of the ASAP group named Josh died, right?
Correct.
And after his death, you and Rocky were part of a text messaging thread in which discussed ASAP Josh and his death. And during the group chat, there was talk about flying ASAP Josh's body back to New York. And during the group chat, Rocky stepped up and said he would pay for the expense.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Lines 7 through 18 on page 26 of your sworn testimony.
Okay.
Question, what was the nature of the message that he sent on that thread? Answer by you, I think was a bunch of people just talking about like Josh. Now Rocky stepped up and said he would pay for it. Question: was there something in particular that the defendant said he would pay for? This question about the prosecutor, by the way. Answer: his body being flown back. Answer by you. Question: flown back to where? Answer by you to New York. Okay. You gave that testimony in November of 2023 under oath at your preliminary hearing. Based on that, Rocky was supposed to pay for Josh Chicago to be flown back, correct?
Yeah, I assumed. Okay, I would assume.
However, you thought that Rocky did not follow through on his promise to pay, right?
I mean, I think I seen this was a long time ago, but I think I seen Josh Moggs re-hit the text and ask, did anybody speak to Rocky or something like that in that sense?
Based on what you saw in the text thread, you believe Rocky did not follow through on his promise to pay, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Right. And that caused you to be upset with Rocky, right?
What do you mean upset?
Were you upset with Rocky that
What's upset mean to you? I mean, if somebody's saying they gotta pay for your friend's body,
Yep.
I'm not upset, but I'm disappointed. And I didn't even know because I never got a text back saying, "Oh, bro, I paid for it," or anything. It's just left me on red because I know what you're about to say. You're about to say my text message, and we can pull it up.
In any event, you found out that Rocky later paid the entire funeral, correct?
I never found out.
You never found out? Page 94 of the preliminary hearing transcript. You now know that Rocky paid for the entire funeral. Answered by you, yeah. Now, because of you thinking he didn't in November and October of 2021, that he didn't pay for the body to be flown back in Josh's funeral, you were upset at Rocky, right?
Upset about what?
On November 16, 2021, here we go. You sent a text message to someone you called Highway, threatening, if Rocky don't do shit with this boy funeral, I'm gonna beat that N-word up. Did you send that message?
I don't recall.
Okay, we'll show you.
Okay. That text, I don't recall that. I don't remember that. I wouldn't even write that.
Thank yourself on.
Yeah, it is, but I don't remember this.
Means nothing. Even if it was, okay?
Yes.
Wait, is it yours or is it not yours?
Were those your words?
Yeah. I don't recall, but
Those were his words. Ask something else.
On November 6, 2021, you can't get that. You woke up to find a series of missed calls.
Right.
And those calls were from Rocky, 12 and Elijah.
No, I think I had the text messages first.
And you turned your phone over to the district attorney, go through all those messages, all your cell phone messages, right?
Yes.
That was put into evidence yesterday by the prosecution. You saw that yesterday, correct, sir? Oh, there's no message above that, right? Under it is the video you sent of the shell cases. But before that, before the incident in 934, it's just that, right?
I mean, I don't know.
Okay. Before turning your phone over to law enforcement, you in fact deleted messages which you sent to Rocky on November 6, 2021. Is that right?
I don't recall.
Okay. What wasn't on your phone, but remained on Rocky's phone, was what you deleted. Do you see the text messages you sent?
This is fake. It's fake.
It's fake also.
It's fake. I never seen it. You don't even write like that. This dude, we're not writing.
No. What are you talking about?
This is supposed to be working right here?
No, sir. No, sir. That's you writing to Rocky.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. Rocky's responding to you. WYA, let's get to it. Stop up at the calls. You saw that yesterday. And you wrote on front of Trader Joe's.
Yeah, because that's when I seen Jabari. So that was at 6 when obviously when I heard him saying he was going to beat me up and do everything else under the moon.
So you wrote that message to him?
I did.
Right. Okay. Why did you delete that from your cell phone before you turned to law enforcement?
That assumed
I did not use it. Stop.
Not in evidence. Did you delete that text from your cell phone?
Yeah, but I didn't delete it because I handed over to...
Did you delete it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why did you delete that string before you turned your phone over to law enforcement?
I don't even remember. Yeah.
Sir.
yeah, so I asked him to beat me up because of.
No, he's asked, you already said you did delete it. He's asking, why did you delete it?
I think I deleted his whole message, and that's why it popped up a whole new one.
He's asking you why you deleted it.
I don't remember.
Okay. All right.
I don't remember.
Okay. You testified to this jury yesterday that when you went to go meet Rocky on November 6th, you weren't wanting to have a physical fight. Remember saying that to the jury?
Is that the day of the shooting? But what was your question? Can you say it again?
On November 6th, when you were going to meet Rocky, you weren't wanting to have a physical fight with him. You recall saying that yesterday?
Did, at that point, were you wanting to have a physical fight with him?
No.
See this jury here? You told this jury yesterday that on November 6th, when you were going to meet Rocky, you weren't wanting to have a physical fight with him. You recall saying that yesterday?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't really know, but yes. What does that doesn't mean bring a gun. Okay, I said you got all this fake animosity towards me. Laugh out loud, beat me up, because I'm saying I heard him tell Jabari he was gonna beat me up and do everything under the moon. So, okay.
And what's the line under it?
Nigga, I wish you would.
With what?
I wish you would try to beat me up.
What do you say under that?
Give me a reason.
Reason do I?
To fight you or whatever at this point. You gotta understand what it's leading up to. We're not cool. It's obviously not cool.
You told the jury yesterday you're going there to, quote, make things better.
I mean, yeah, like, anything can happen. Anything can happen. I'm not going in it to a fight.
So it's your testimony that first person seeing moving hand on that video is Rocky.
I mean, we gotta go back to the video if you want to play it. We gotta play it 100 times.
And tell me whose hand you see moving first.
I mean, obviously you can't see Rocky on the block. Like, play it again? It's kind of blurry down here.
Again?
You gotta play it again, but it's hard to say.
After.
Play it again.
There you go.
Wait, play it back. Play it back. Play it back.
Where are your hands right now?
We're both grabbing each other at this point. Look, a second ago when my hand was down, we're righty. I tried to stop him with my left.
Now what's going on there?
Let's play it back one more time. You want people to
No more. Don't replay.
The judge was sick of him and that video. He said, don't play that video no more. Okay, this next part is Takapina asking if Relli was pulling Rocky in the video. So for context, when you're watching, Relli is on the right of your screen and Rocky is on the left.
Right there. You're pulling him back. He's not pushing you, correct?
He's clearly pushing me.
So it's your testimony that you are not trying to pull Rocky back.
You said I pulled him back.
I'm asking you, sir.
I don't recall. I don't know what I'm answering right now.
I'm going to read your preliminary hearing transcript. Question to you. And did he do anything besides just grab the collar? Your answer. I mean, he was yanking him, and I tried, pulling him back, Now, it's your story that during this initial encounter that we just observed, Rocky pressed the gun against your stomach.
Right. Yes. It didn't touch my stomach, but he pointed it out at me. Nothing that physically touched me. He pointed it at me.
Okay, so it didn't physically touch your stomach.
No, it didn't touch my stomach.
If it didn't physically touch your stomach, like you just said, you wouldn't have felt the barrel of the gun against your stomach, right?
I don't know what I was feeling. Everything had been fast.
Did you not testify that you felt the barrel of the gun touching your stomach previously?
I don't recall.
Going into the district attorney's office, you recall saying, I'm feeling the barrel of the gun in my stomach.
I'm feeling the barrel of the gun in my stomach. I don't recall.
Okay. He's literally, I'm feeling the barrel of the gun in my stomach. Do you recall saying that to the district attorney in 2022?
Say it again?
You also told detectives that in that instance that we saw in this video, not only did he put the gun to your stomach, but he also put the gun to your head.
No, he didn't put no actual physical, it didn't never touch me, but he pointed it. He pointed it to my stomach, and I said this. He's trying to trip me up. He pointed it to me, to my head, to my stomach, and he said he's going to kill me.
First of all, you remember those words? Specifically remember those words, sir?
He's screaming it. He's saying, like, I'll kill you.
Did he say those words, I'll kill you?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. In fact, when you spoke to the district attorney only 1 year later, in November of 2022, what you said was, you don't remember what he said because it was so long ago. Isn't that true?
I mean, that's pretty much a tactic you had since day one, drag it out. But if I'm refreshed, I can remember. It's been 3 years. He was innocent. He would be home a long time ago.
You swore to this jury that Rocky said to you the exact words, I'll kill you right now. Not that something like, you remember those words you told the jury.
Yeah, that's exactly what he said.
That's exactly what he said.
Yeah, I remember.
1 year after this incident, sir. 1 year after, not 3.5 years later, like it is now. 1 year after, you had a tape interview with the district attorney's office. And what you said to them was, and then Rocky, like, he's saying something, I don't really remember because it was just like a long time ago, so I don't really remember what you were saying.
Because I'm getting tired of talking to everybody, bro. Nothing was happening. It took them 9 months to even pursue the case.
Okay, so child, that was only the first day of Relli's cross-examination. He had a whole second day. But even at this point, I still got questions. And my main question is, even though Relli is clearly unreliable and not credible, is that enough to believe that Rocky came to meet up with him with a fake gun? How y'all feeling?